Hi, everyone. I'm Longqi Yang from Microsoft, and I'm going to present a large-scale study that we recently conducted at Microsoft that leverages a natural experiment during COVID-19 to understand how switching to work from home affect people's collaboration practices. And this is a joint effort with my colleagues showing this slide, who are from many research and product teams across Microsoft. So COVID-19 simultaneously caused many changes, including lockdowns, the closure of schools, and the shift to work from home. And the central goal of our research is to isolate effects of the switch to work from home from all other factors. And understanding the causal effects of work from home is important because this practice will likely be more common in the future than it was prior to the pandemic. We estimate the causal effects of working from home by using a difference in differences framework that is commonly used in social science research. The basic idea is that we first look at employees who are already working from home prior to the COVID-19. And since they were working from home already, any change in their behavior was due to other factors. And second, we consider those working in the office prior to the pandemic. Their behavior changed due to other factors and the move to working from home. And if the time trends for these two groups move in parallel prior to the pandemic, then measuring the deviations from that parallel trend after the pandemic allows us to isolate the effect of switch to work from home. And to ensure that work from home effects that we detect are not simply due to differences in the composition of the groups, and we use coercent exact matching to make sure that the two groups of employees are similar in terms of their job roles, managerial status, and seniority levels. And we leverage data from workplace analytics software to measure collaboration, including hours spent on email, instant messages, and scheduled meetings. And we study the trends of Microsoft US employees and compare the differences between February and April. And I'm going to highlight some of our initial findings here. We find that the switch to work from home actually lowered time spent on collaboration and increased people's focus time. At the same time, the switch changed the ways that people collaborate. So employees spend less time on scheduled meetings and more time on instant messages. But as many people have experienced and many studies have shown, collaboration hours have increased post-COVID-19, as we show on the right here. We find, however, that this is mainly due to factors other than the switch to work from home. For example, lockdowns may make people work more, and people have to manage all the chaos caused by the pandemic. In other words, simple observational analysis produces misleading results. And our analysis also suggests that most of the effect of switch to work from home is due to the need to collaborate remotely. As you can see in this table, the effects are near zero for employees who had more than 70% of their collaborations with co-workers in a different location before switching to work from home. And moving forward, we are going to extend our analysis to later months, perform additional robustness checks, and study many more measures of work behavior to pull together a comprehensive story on how work from home affects how we work. Thank you.